Welcome to the third video in our Open Fender System Installation Guide series for the 2017 Ford Superduty. In this video, we will be going through the first steps in the installation process. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable chapters and steps so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This product is for off-road use only. All liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage, and for professional use only. Chapter 5, Step 1. Installing the rocker panel cap plate. We will begin by painting the outside edges of all the cuts made on the frame and cab with rust trap protection that is included in the kit. This will protect the vehicle from corrosion. Once applied, let it sit for 15 minutes before proceeding. Measure out the OEM foam from the rocker panel 4 inches from the bottom outer point and cut straight across. Next, place the rocker plate over the existing cuts made to the rocker panel and mark the drill placement holes with a marker. Next, use a center punch to mark your drill locations on the existing markers to the rocker panel. Use a 5 and 32-inch drill bit to drill pilot holes where the center point marks were placed on the rocker panel. Next, we will prep the rocker channel for the foam sealant by covering any open areas on the inside of the rocker panel with duct tape. When fully prepped, place the cut OEM foam back into the rocker channel. Next, use the self-tapping screws provided to install the rocker plate on the vehicle's rocker panel. Cover all of the open areas on the outside of the rocker panel with duct tape to prevent the foam sealant from leaking. Through a small opening, fill the rocker channel with the provided foam sealant and let it sit for 15 minutes. Use only half of the tube of sealant on the driver's side and save the other half to be used for the passenger's side. Chapter 5. Step 2. Installing the reinforcement bracket. We will start this step by disconnecting the wiring harness from the frame so it does not get damaged during the installation. Next, insert the reinforcement bracket into the frame and use a marker to mark where your drill holes will go. Use a center punch to mark the center of the drill location. Next, use a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill pilot holes in the marked locations. Then, step up to a rivet nut drill bit provided in the kit to finish out the holes. Moving to the bottom portion of the frame, use a 5/8" drill bit to drill the hole indicated by the corresponding template. Only drill through the front wall at this time. Move back to the top portion of the frame and use an impact driver and ratchet wrench to install the rivet nut into the specified locations. Next, insert the reinforcement bracket and bolt the top portion to the frame. From the bottom mounting location, use a 5/8" drill bit to drill through the bottom portion of the reinforcement bracket. You will drill through all the walls of both the bracket and frame. Next, insert the bolt stack into the bottom mounting location of the reinforcement bracket and tighten. You are now finished with the reinforcement bracket installation process and can move on to Chapter 6.